Assalamualaikum and have a good day everyone. So this is a video for chapter 4 transport implant, and this video is about subtopic 4.1 vascular tissue. Let's go. Do you know that the Sequoia sempervirens is the tallest tree in the world? Every day, this tree can absorb 1000 kg of water from the soil and transport it to the stem and leaf up to a height of 100 meters. How is water transported in plant? It's amazing. So the wonder of the transport in plant, the system consists of a network of channels which are formed from vascular bundle. This water and nutrient transportation pathway is similar to the vascular system, which transport blood to the all part of the human body. Xylem tissue is the system start from the roots and they are connected to the stem, branches, twig and leaf. Phloem tissue on the other hand transport nutrients, sugar, which are produced by the leaf to other parts of the plant such as stem, roots, to be used in cell respiration and as storage. Next, vascular tissue. What is the density of the transport in plant? Plants are multicellular organisms which are formed from cells that need water and nutrients. The large and tall of the plants create a total surface area that is insufficient for the plant to absorb its basic need from the surrounding. In order to overcome this problem, plants have vascular tissue to transport water, mineral salt and nutrient to all the cells. So this is the necessity of vascular tissue. Vascular tissue are divided into two. Xylem to transport water and mineral salt absorbed by the roots to the stem and leaf. Second one is phloem, transport organic compound which are synthesized by the leaf through photosynthesis to the stem and the roots. So this is the picture of xylem and phloem. The differences between xylem and phloem. Xylem is one-way flow, but phloem is two-way flow. Xylem transport water and mineral, and phloem transport food or organic substances. Xylem transport the xylem is no end wall between the cell and stiff with lignin, while the phloem end wall with perforation. Let's go discuss about the structural adaptation of xylem and phloem. Plants are divided into two types, which have transport system called vascular plants, do not have transport system called non-vascular plant. The example of non-vascular plant like alga and moss. Okay, what is the structural adaptation of xylem vessel and trachea? So xylem actually consists of xylem vessel and trachea. So this is the diagram of xylem vessel and trachea. So we discuss first we discuss about the structural adaptation of xylem vessel. First, xylem vessel consists of dead cell at maturity which do not have cytoplasm. Xylem vessel are arranged longitudinally from end to end to form continuous tube to allow water flow from the roots to the leaf. And the third one, the xylem vessel, the wall of xylem vessel have uneven lignin thickening to give strength to xylem vessel to prevent them collapsing due to the tension force and pressure changes when water move through it and prevent the plant from being bent. Okay, next we will discuss about the trachea. What is trachea? So this is the picture of trachea. In trachea, the cell wall of trachea also have lignin thickening and the pits to allow water move to adjacent cell. So the difference between the xylem vessel and trachea are the shape, and then the trachea have pits. Next, the structural adaptation of sieve tube and companion cell to the transport of organic substances. Okay, we discussed about the phloem tissue. What is phloem tissue? Phloem tissue transport and distribute dissolved organic compounds such as sucrose, amino acid, and also plant hormone to all parts of the plant. Is phloem living cells? Yes, the phloem is living cell because it has cytoplasm. So it differed with the xylem. Xylem consists of dead cell, while the phloem consists of living cell. So let's discuss more about the structural adaptation for the phloem. So this is the picture of phloem. Then this is the cross section of the phloem. Phloem consists of companion cell. So this is the picture of longitudinal section of the phloem. Phloem have sieve tube. Sieve tube do not have nuclei, ribosome and vacuole. This allows sucrose molecule to pass through sieve tube easily. Look at to the structure. There is no nuclei, ribosome and vacuole. Companion cell. Companion cell contain mitochondria to provide energy in the form of ATP to transport sucrose from the leaf to the sieve tube through active transport. So this is the structure of companion cell. Then companion cell contain mitochondria to give energy. And the last one is sieve plate. This is the structure of sieve plate. Sieve plate on the both end of the sieve tube. At the location is both end of the sieve tube. There is a sieve plate that contain pore. The function of sieve plate, okay, can flow the organic compound from one sieve tube to the next sieve tube.